Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1997 Toyota Town Ace Noah. It has 41,520 original miles and is powered by the reliable 3SFE 2.0 liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. This Toyota Town Ace Noah has 2 doors in the front, a rear sliding door, and a rear hatch as well. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. This vehicle is in kilometers also. The number that y'all are seeing down here, 48,821, that is the kilometers. The miles again is 41,520. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd love to answer any questions that y'all may have. I would like to tell you guys, thank you so much for the continual support. We really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. I pray y'all have a blessed and safe day.